In front of me is Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by launching Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, you need to launch it. Hit OK in welcome pop-up and tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on. When you're done, go into Tab menu and edit it thanks to this pen at the top right corner. Then scroll all the way down to look for Caffe Shortcut, hold it and add it to your currently used ones. Place it wherever you want to. Go back by tapping on the top left corner and click on your shortcut to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!